Let's upgrade our passports. Yeah. So guys, I got these because I wanted to upgrade our passports and have a little bit more color instead of the boring passport colors. And I could not find lime green with the stretchy band. So I got yellow. Y'all know canary yellow is one of my colors. So it's like lime green, canary yellow, and like blues. Those are it. Like Naya is in the orange phase, so she wanted orange, so I found this one. Hers is pretty. It has like glitter in it. And then Rizzy loves her blues and teals, so that's for Rizzy. And I'm gonna get these in there, but I'm gonna show you what they look like in the inside. I thought these were the cutest. This is not sponsored. I'm just starting to do things that make us happy, that brings more joy. Has a pen. You can put credit cards and stuff, and you can have, if you have the COVID vaccine, you can put your vaccine or either other important information in here. And I love this because sometimes those magnetic things don't close good, and so it has a strap, and so that's that one. This is Naya's. Look at that glitter. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So this is Naya's. Now I got theirs first, and I had got me a lime green one, and I didn't like the lime green one. It was so cheesy. These are made so well and so thick, and they have like cushion. So I didn't like mine, so I sent it back, and I tried to find one to mimic the way theirs was, and I found the yellow. I said, okay, I can go with yellow. That's a nice, vibrant, pretty travel color. And my thing is, when you have blacks, if somebody is trying to take something and they're trying to do it fast, you can't, black kind of fades into a person's pocket, or a person, like they can move it real fast. But when it's bright like this, colorful like this, I feel like it's hard for them to take it. So I always suggest, like when you're going and you're traveling, put your phone case, put a bright phone case on, because if somebody grabs it, it'll catch your eye. That color will catch your eye. This color will catch your eye. This color will catch your eye. These are eye-catching colors for traveling versus having the basic dark blue or a color that just can just fade into anything. So not just sharing these just to share, but giving you also tips on how to protect yourself when traveling. Get bright colors. Get bright colors for your cell phone. Get bright colors for your keys or anything important. Put something bright on it that you can see it from a distance if somebody try to grab it really quick, okay? All right, guys, so I am now getting ready to upgrade and put these inside their pouches and then show you guys. I'll be right back. So 1 is in, 2 is in. Okay, so they're all in. Now, the most important thing that I want to share with you is these are RDF blocking. That means that just like your credit cards, do you know that your wallets, your passports can be scanned? People can pull all the information off your passports and create a new passport for scammers or people who are illegally getting a passport. So these are RDF blocking. So they have protection on both sleeves that protects your passport from people trying to scan it. You see that metal? And it's on both sides. So literally it protects your passports from someone walking past with a scanner machine. And people do it, guys. People do it. Protect yourself when you're traveling. They literally have machines that can just walk past you and scan your purse, scan your suitcase. So if your passport or your wallets are freely just in there in a regular wallet or in a regular case, they literally can be scanned and all your information can be taken from your ID, your actual state ID, and all your credit cards. So make sure you start getting RDF blocking things. Even my wallets and my daughter wallets are that. Let me show you. So this is my wallet. I've had this for over a year. It's like a little wristlet. And this is an RDF blocking wallet. And my daughter ended up getting her one as well. So this is Naya's, and you can tell we had these for a while, but these are RDF blocking. You want to make sure, and they hold a lot. They hold a lot. Not gonna open it, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you with mine. I'm gonna just go like this. It's like that. So they hold a lot. And I got this off of Amazon almost over a year ago, about a year and a half ago. More than that, about a year and a half, maybe almost 2 years ago. And it's been holding up. It probably need a nice wash and clean, but I don't know, goes in and out my purse, and that's it. It comes with a little thing you can put on your keys, but this is RDF blocking. So anything I get, like purses with little slots, I try to get RDF blocking if possible, or I put RDF slots inside my purse, and I make sure my daughters do the same thing. So Rizzy has a green one and Naya has a purple one, and they're RDF blocking for IDs, because IDs get scanned too, and also any of your cards. So I hope this video was helpful. Just another way to show you how to save yourself from being scammed, and also to protect your items but make them look cute as well. So these are going where they go safely. And that was another how to DIY and save a dime video with the single mom versus the fixer-upper. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys later, Gators.